What's going on, YouTube, and all my fellow Dogecoin holders out there? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Pretty good week. You know, it's already done and over with. And you know what? Guess what? Next weekend, we get to try all over again. But I am expecting some huge catalysts this weekend. There is a very bullish head and shoulders that I am seeing on the charts. A very big head and shoulders. Now, before we go any further, please consider subscribing to my channel. This is your first time tuning in. And don't forget to smash that like button, share this with somebody, and come follow me on Twitter so you can have your chance to win some commemorative Dogecoin silver collector's items. This is real silver and this is real copper. It has face value on it. I mean, unless you guys want those toy garbage. And actually, I have another bunch more that came in. This other design. I have another design. This one right here actually has a moon on it. All that. So I mean, all I need is 5,000 people to follow me on Twitter. That's not really that many, is it? Well, I guess it is, but it really isn't. I mean, when you're talking about silver, I mean, it's. I mean, unless you want me to give away, never mind. Let's continue on to this. So I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna give you guys my price trajectory, my price target, and what I am expecting to happen, and what I am ready to do with my newly acquired assets from AMC. I mean, before we go any further, please remember I'm not a professional. Before you buy or sell any asset, you should consult with one. Or hell, don't be lazy. Look at some charts, read some articles, listen to some random guy or chick on YouTube. And it's very important. I've been in a lot of rooms on YouTube or on Twitter. Coco's. She's fantastic. I love Coco. I've been following her since she had like 500 followers. Yeah, that girl blew up. So shout out to Coco. If anybody's not following her, they should. Especially for the Deutsch community. If you need support, she's there for everybody. But they're listening to a lot of new investors, especially crypto ones, and a lot of these for investors, and they've never experienced what we call a rotation. Now, a rotation is what happens when exactly what it says, when we rotate assets from one commodity or one group, whether it's whether that group be growth, whether that be tech, whether that be value stocks, whether that be EV stocks, whether that be commodities, whether that be, you know, futures, TLT. I mean, the list goes on. And then now you throw cryptocurrency in there, and it's a huge amount of people out there. It's like, wait a minute, we can't get rid of the regular free market. We need to take control of the free market and repair it and make it transparent, just like the blockchain. It's wild to sit there and be locked down because like in times like this, I mean, the reason why I even got into crypto like fully was because I seen that rotation was happening more and more, and when it happened, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all of them would run it up, and I wanted a piece of it. So this is when you come back into diversifying. I'm not saying to go buy all kinds of bullshit stocks and all that. Now, get a couple good ones. You know, I mean, I got AMC, I got Ford, I got Workhorse, I got who's that other one I just bought? God damn it, SNDL, and I got Dogecoin, and I got LT Litecoin, and a little Ethereum. Really not a whole lot of different assets if you think about it. I mean, everybody's like, well, I only got $100. Well, hello, we got this thing called fractional shares, and especially being, you know, cryptocurrency, you should already know about this. So it's like, remember, don't be locked down in one asset. Dabble your feet here, dabble your feet over there. I mean, come on, it comes back down to keeping your eggs in one basket. You don't do that, because then when someone comes by and takes that basket, it's gone, man. All your eggs. You gotta keep some eggs over here. What if Elon comes out and gets mad because, you know, somebody's over here on his SpaceX and or Starlink the Twitter page blowing up about Dogecoin? Like, oh man, that's good. You launched how many satellites? You should launch Dogecoin next to the moon. It's like, come on, bro. Elon's got other problems right now. You know what I mean? If you don't know, he's got a shortage, you know, supply shortage and all that because of China. And they, you know what? Let's not even get into all that. That's for another one. Let's worry about Dogecoin. But it's like, relax. I mean, if you need, that's why you need to be in other assets and play the other half of it. I mean, cryptocurrency is just one little part of it. I mean, honestly, if you think about it, it's a very small part of it. What they say it was like $2 trillion market cap all at a whole. you know, there's the whole market cap in the whole world altogether is a whole lot more than that. Trust me. I mean, the United States owes more than that in debt. You times that by 20, and then you might be close to where the debt is. So let's jump in, and I'm gonna do some technical analysis. Back on my trusty Kraken, man. We will be acting up, man. Damn it, man. What the hell, man? Why they gotta mess with me for, man? I'm trying to get some stuff done today, and they want to come in, and they're just gonna be like, nah, bro, not today. So I don't fuck around, fuck around, what the fuck around. So let's get in here, and let me actually get a little closer in the 30-minute one. Yeah, well. Now, if you see here, back in the 2-hour ticker, we have a very, very distinguished shoulder, head, and another shoulder getting ready to start. Regardless if it looks like a little retarded shoulder, a little special, it's a special one, okay? Let's just call it special shoulder, okay? Okay, it's a special shoulder. So right there, so we got our head, we got our shoulder. That's our head, our neckline, or this is our head, our neckline, shoulder. And I believe we are about to, you know, see a very, very extra nominal move upward. I've been seeing a lot of activity on BitInfo charts. Like, there's a lot of buying. There's actually a lot more new people that are buying and holding and not even selling. But there are still, it's basically still the same wallets that are trading the Deutsch. So, I mean, I wouldn't really worry about it because it looks like it's just concentrated to a few people that own, you know, like the top, not the top 10, but like maybe the top 20. There's like, and out of the top 20, there's like 4 guys that are trading a lot every day. So let's get into the 30-minute one. I'm going to give you guys, you know, kind of where I'm expecting for this to, you know, kind of track out right here. So let's, obviously, I'm glad with the Dogecoin because it blew my, all my lows, it never even got close to my nose. Like, I was expecting this to come a little bit lower, and it didn't even get any close to that. So now I'm going to leave my new support here because it has basically exceeded all my other support levels. Or, you know, it just blew them out the water. All my other ones were just overly, just way too much. So then, actually, if you come in a little closer, you can see we were actually building a formation here, and we kind of where we had our liftoff. It was a little premature, I mean, I would say, because, you know, this is a lot of where Elon's tweets and all that come in from. That's why I say the guy has a bigger problems to worry about. So, but like you can see right here, this is another part of support right here. So we need to be able to, we're going to test it one more time, and we might just take off from here, being the weekend and all, and especially with everything happened with AMC and all the other meme stocks. It's very, very high. It's very likely that we will see some action to the upside. But remember, I'm not a professional. You know, this is just entertainment use only. You should consult with one before you buy or sell. I don't be lazy. Look some charts, read some articles, listen to some random guy or chick on YouTube. But that's basically what I got for everybody right there. I mean, if you look back and you see how well this one's been doing for the past week, I mean, it's, yeah, we had this, it was not even good. It was just, there was so much pain in the market. There was so much pain in this asset. People were just like, they thought it was the end of the world. And, you know, damn well, you can't blame them. A lot of them weren't used to, a lot of them weren't ready to jump in an asset that was trading at 74 cents and to see it just come all the way down to 22 cents. I mean, whew, that's a crazy feeling. That's a lot to stomach right there, you know, and I understand it. But people need to just take a look back, you know, get out the 30-minute one, look at the hour one, and be like, oh man, it don't look that bad. We're about to have the same thing happen again. You know what I mean? Well, you know, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I mean, I like to keep it short, simple, and wham, bam. I'm out of here.